Hola amigos y bienvenido a clase. Hoy vamos a estudiar el futuro, okay? Generally and específicamente, we're going to look at will. En inglés, we can say the train leaves at 11. Es el futuro, ¿verdad? En español, we can do exactamente igual, the same thing. Podemos decir, oh, well, how would you say it? The train leaves at 11. El tren sale a las 11. Ahora, en inglés, we can say things like, I'm working tomorrow, por ejemplo. And that's the present continuous. We have I am and working. Y en español, we do have that tense. But en español, if you say, estoy trabajando, then that means right now. And we'll deal with that thing in the future. For now, I would like you to know that you can't use that estructura para hablar del futuro en español. Estoy trabajando means en ese momento. And that's all it means. Para hablar del futuro, we can, en inglés, say he's going to miss the trains. We use that going to and miss as the infinitive verb. En español, they have a parallel estructura. Va a perder el tren. Perder means to lose, to miss. Va a perder el tren. Pero let's get el futuro with will. En español no hay una palabra that translates will, okay? So what we do is we cambiar the ending del verbo. And here are the endings. These are the endings for el futuro. We have yo as the ending e. Tú, has. Él, ella, usted, ha. Nosotros, hemos. Vosotros, eis. Eis, that's the sound. And ellos, ellas, ustedes, han. Okay, so those are the endings for the verbs, and what we do for regular verbs, and most verbs are regular with el futuro, we put those endings on the end. Now let's have a quick look at those endings again. You'll notice that tres of those endings have an e in them, so hemos, eis, and tres have a, as, a, an. And you'll notice that they all have an acento, menos hemos. Hemos doesn't have un acento. So that's your spelling. Now, these endings work for AR verbs, ER verbs, and IR verbs. Okay, so how would you say, I will visit Argentina? Well, what you're going to do is take the infinitive verb, visitar, add the yo ending, a, and then Argentina. So it will be visitaré Argentina. It's that easy, okay? So I will talk to her will be hablaré con ella. What if you want to make a question? So to arrive is llegar. And we want to say, at what time will it arrive? At what time will it arrive? How would you say that en español? ¿A qué hora llegará? Okay, it will take the a ending. ¿A qué hora llegará? What about I will arrive at 11? Llegaré a las 11, ¿verdad? O llegaré a las 12, llegaré a las 3. No llegaré hasta las 4. Okay, some ejemplos. Next lesson I'm going to do the irregular verbs, solo hay 12. Ser is regular, not irregular, regular in español. So what will be? How would you say that? What will be? ¿Qué será? ¿Qué será, será? What will be, will be. What about how many days will you be here? So estar is regular. Okay, it's not irregular, it's regular. Estar. How many days will you be here? And here is aquí. How do you say it? ¿Cuántos días estarás aquí? If you would like to practicar, and of course you would, you go to Pasos, página 147, and you have a look at actividad 12. Okay, actividad 12 es un diálogo entre dos personas. One is planning to visit the other, visitará el otro. If you don't have Pasos, si no tienes Pasos, download the scripts, el guión, actividad 12 de unidad 10, and you can read el diálogo. And then you could cambiar los detalles. You could cambiar las personas. So how many days will he be here? How many days will they be here? The next lesson we're going to do regular, irregular future verbs, and there's only 12. It's going to be lovely. We'll also have a look at reflexive verbs, so that will be muy útil para ti. Y ahora solo me queda decir muchas gracias por estar aquí conmigo. Por favor, click a like, click a subscribe if you haven't, y nos vemos muy pronto. Hasta pronto, amigos. Adiós.